Do you feel like you're learning English, but not speaking it? You know the words, you understand the videos, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. It's frustrating, right? That's because listening passively is not enough. You need active speaking practice every day. But here's the good news, you don't need 2 hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes of slow listening plus shadowing can change everything. In this lesson, you'll learn the best way to practice English daily, with real-life tips, simple phrases, and powerful shadowing routines. Each tip is made for beginners, A1, A2 level, and helps you speak clearly and naturally. Subscribe to Slow English Lab for stress-free English learning. And comment below, I'm ready to speak if you're starting today. Tip 1. Wake up with English in your ears. The first 10 minutes after you wake up are powerful. Your brain is relaxed, and it learns fast. So start your day with English, not Instagram or email. Just press play on a slow English video or podcast while brushing your teeth or preparing breakfast. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen. Let English become the background music of your morning. After your first listen, choose one short sentence and shadow it 3 to 5 times. For example, let's get started. Say it slowly, then naturally, then with energy. Make it a ritual. Every day. The goal is not perfection, it's consistency. Do it for 7 days and you'll notice your brain reacting faster to English. Try it tomorrow and comment, I started my day with English. Tip 2. Use the 1 sentence a day rule. Stop memorizing 20 random words. Instead, focus on 1 real sentence every day. This sentence becomes your daily English tool. Write it down, say it, sing it, whisper it. Use it all day. Example, can I help you with that? Break it into chunks. Can I help? Can I help you with that? Shadow it slowly, then faster. Focus on stress and intonation. Use the same sentence in different emotions, happy, confused, excited. This builds muscle memory in your mouth and trains natural speaking. At the end of the day, write your sentence in a notebook. Tomorrow, pick a new one. What's your sentence for today? Comment below and share it with us. Tip 3. Repeat your day in English. Mini recap. One of the best ways to connect English to your real life is by doing a mini recap at night. Before bed, speak 3 to 5 simple sentences about your day. Example, I woke up late today. I had rice for lunch. I talked to my friend on the phone. Keep it basic. The goal is not perfect grammar, it's fluency and comfort. You can say it out loud, whisper it, or even record it on your phone. Then listen to your voice. Shadow your own sentences and correct pronunciation if needed. This habit connects memory, speech, and routine. Over time, it creates a natural link between your brain and English sentences. Want to try this tonight? Comment, I'll recap my day in English. Tip 4. Shadow slow dialogues every day. Find a short, slow English conversation, 2 to 3 minutes. Listen to the whole thing first, then go back and shadow each sentence. Example, A. Do you want some tea? Yes, please. Thank you. Pause after each sentence, repeat with the same rhythm and tone. Don't rush. Focus on pronunciation, linking sounds, and natural pauses. This will train your ears, mouth, and memory together. Then, play the full dialogue and shadow along without pausing. Do this every day with a new short video. You'll start to feel more confident speaking naturally. If you already shadow daily, Comment. Shadowing is working for me. Tip 5. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Stand in front of the mirror and speak English for 3 to 5 minutes. Yes, to yourself. It may feel silly at first, but it helps you watch your mouth, practice expressions, and build confidence. You're the actor, director, and coach at the same time. Say things like, "Today, I feel tired, but I'm proud of my English practice. I'm ready to learn and improve every day." Look into your eyes. Smile. Pretend you're in a conversation. This builds fluency, especially for learners who feel shy speaking in front of others. After 5 days of mirror speaking, you'll feel stronger and more natural in real conversations. Have you tried mirror speaking? Comment. Mirror practice is powerful. Tip 6. Set a 5-minute speaking timer. Choose a topic. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Speak in English without stopping. No translation. No Google. Just go. You can say, "I want to talk about food. My favorite food is pizza. I eat it every Friday with my family." Even if you don't know some words, describe them. Say, "It's something round, hot, with cheese." The goal is flow, not perfect grammar. This helps train your thinking speed and your ability to stay in English. Repeat the same topic the next day, and you'll already sound more fluent. Set your timer today. Comment. I did my 5-minute challenge. Tip 7. Do questions, answer drills daily. This is a mini conversation you create with yourself. You ask a question, then you answer it. Shadow it with different emotions and speeds. Example. Q. What time do you start work? A. I start work at 8 a.m. Repeat it 5 to 7 times with different voices. Happy, bored, tired, excited. This makes your practice fun and emotional, which helps you remember. Then change the question. What time do you finish? I finish at 5 p.m. Now create more sets. This builds conversation memory, so when someone asks you, you'll respond naturally. Try this drill now and comment with one of your Q+A sets below. Tip 8. Shadow real-life expressions with emotion. Choose 5 to 10 natural expressions and repeat them daily. But here's the twist. Add emotion. Say it with your heart. Example phrases. I'm not sure. That sounds amazing. Let's go. Now shadow them like an actor. Say it with surprise, with excitement, with hesitation. Act it. Feel it. Live it. This helps you speak English not like a robot, but like a real person. You'll notice how rhythm, intonation, and stress work in different situations. This is natural English, and it's powerful. Comment. I practiced emotions today. Which one was hardest? Tip 9. Try the LPPS method. This method trains both your ears and brain. It stands for listen, pause, predict, shadow. 1. Listen to the first part of a sentence. 2. Pause. 3. Predict what comes next. 4. Then play and shadow the full sentence. Example. I'm going to, pause. You say the market. Actual, the store. Close enough. Now shadow the full sentence. This builds anticipation, faster understanding, and sharper speaking. It's a mental workout and improves real-time listening. Try the LPPS method today and comment. I trained my brain today. Tip 10. Create a daily English practice board. Grab a whiteboard or notebook and write your daily English plan. Example. Morning. Shadow 1 sentence. Afternoon. Speak for 5 minutes. Night. Recap my day. Make it visible. Put it on your wall, fridge, or desk. This reminds you daily and builds consistency. Every time you complete a task, check it off. It's motivating. This practice board keeps you accountable. It's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about showing up every day. That's how fluency is built. Create your plan and comment. I made my English board. Closing message. Now you know the best way to practice English daily. No expensive tools, no complicated methods. Just your ears, your voice, and 15 minutes a day. Slow listening and shadowing will help you speak clearly, naturally, and confidently. Like this video, subscribe to Slow English Lab, comment your favorite tip below. Let's keep practicing, slow, steady, and strong. You're doing great. See you in the next lesson at Slow English Lab.